octopus. An octopus can change its skin color and texture in under a second. Caterpillar. Caterpillars have up to 16 legs that help them grip leaves tightly. Dog. Dogs can smell tiny scent particles even underwater. Shark. Sharks have lightning-fast reflexes thanks to special nerve sensors. Crab. Crabs communicate by waving their claws like little ocean sign language. Turtle. Turtles can feel through their shells because they're part of their spine. Seal. Seals use their whiskers to track fish swimming in the dark. Starfish. Starfish can flip themselves over using all their arms at once. Whale. Whales have huge tails called flukes that power them through the ocean. Dog. Dogs tilt their heads to hear better and understand where sounds come from. Orca. Orcas work together to create waves that knock prey off ice floes. Hippopotamus. Hippos can close their nostrils to walk along the river bottom. Spider crab. Spider crabs gather in giant groups during molting seasons, like ocean meetups. Duckling. Ducklings paddle their feet even before their feathers fully grow in. Penguin. Penguins carry stones to build nests for their eggs. Crab. Crabs can sense vibrations through the sand to find hidden food. Sea lion. Sea lions can rotate their back flippers to walk on land. Goblin shark. Goblin shark's jaws snap forward faster than a blink when catching prey. Sawfish. Sawfish wave their long snouts to stun fish like underwater swords. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs line up in shell queues to trade shells that fit better. Hammerhead shark. Hammerheads have 360-degree vision thanks to their wide-set eyes. Snail. Snails travel on a trail of slime that helps them glide smoothly. Shark. Some sharks have eyes that reflect light like a cat's, helping them see in the dark.